Okay, so pizza for dinner tonight. What I do is I go to the local bakery and I buy their pizza dough for $2.50. We happen to like their whole wheat pizza dough much better than the plain. And I do cut it in half and spread it out and then allow it to rise again before I add my toppings. So this will sit in the oven on a rack for a couple of hours until it's risen again. Okay, ingredients have been prepared for my pizza. I have my homemade tomato puree, salt and homegrown oregano, 2 kinds of cheeses, mozzarella and grated Parmesan. Mushrooms are rehydrating, sitting in water. Green peppers have all been diced. And we have anchovies, pepperoni, and it's an Italian type of meat, something like prosciutto. So that's what we have to prepare for the pizza toppings. Okay, on with our pizza masterpiece. And what I have done here is that I have put the sauce, the oregano, and the salt. I've mixed the 3 of those together. And then I've split it equally between the 2 large pizza doughs, which turns out to be approximately a cup of sauce per pizza dough. And these are large pizzas, by the way. After that, I have sprinkled on the Parmesan, the freshly grated Parmesan that I have, and a ball of mozzarella between the 2 pizzas again. When I've done that, then I begin to put my pizza together with all my favorite toppings. Now you can add whatever kind of toppings you like on a pizza. We happen to prefer things like pepperoni, mushrooms, anchovies, a little bit of onion, a little bit of meat, a little bit of, a few things. Now, you also do this sparingly. You don't put a lot of any one topping, unless, of course, that's what you prefer. I don't. I like just a smattering of each one of these toppings so that you taste each one of them without any one of them being overpowering. Okay. Okay, so both pizzas are ready for the oven now. I've preheated the oven to 4 1/4, and we'll set the timer for 20 minutes. And I do one at a time. I don't do both of them at the same time. So as soon as one is cooked, then I pull it out and I put the next one in. And we only eat one of those for dinner. The second one is snacks for the next day, or perhaps even dinner for the next day if we feel. Well, I hope you enjoyed this pizza as much as I enjoy it. I'm going to enjoy eating it, and thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye for now.